If you have little energy to perform your daily tasks, I challenge you to do this strengthening to increase your desire, your enthusiasm, and your energy for your daily purpose. Look from 1 to 10 at what energy number you are at to perform your daily activities before you begin this strengthening. 1 is the minimum possible energy, and 10 is enough energy to accomplish everything that comes your way throughout the day. If you listen to it daily at any given time, this is going to become constant in your life. However, remember that this must be supported by good health habits as well as taking care of your emotional states. I am Rocio Santibanez, instructor of the Yuen Method, and if this strengthening helps you and you like it, I would greatly appreciate it if you share it. We're going to clear the mind of every cell, atom, molecule, quantum particle, tissue, organ, system, and structure, and all of its cumulative effect. And we're going to send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes, and remote parts of the universe and other unknown places. Let's remove the resistance of the mind to improve, to change. We're going to be strong and neutral so that we have results and don't have them, so that they come quickly and not quickly, slowly and not slowly. We're going to increase the production, distribution, and transport of growth and rejuvenation hormones into the structure, organs, tissues, and cells. We're going to increase alkaline pH, negative ions, and negative electromagnetic field. We increase the penetration of oxygen and glucose to the mitochondria of the cell to produce energy in the form of ATP. We're going to increase hydration where it is needed in the cells, tissues, organs, and structures. We're going to increase carbon and nitrogen to the central nervous system, as well as to all the mitochondria in the cells. We increase the quality and quantity of mitochondria. We increase the capillarity in the muscles, tendons, ligaments, bones, cartilage, and to all the mitochondria of the cells. We increase the circulation and the energy in the center. We increase the spinal cord and increase its tension so that it can keep all these corrections. We strengthen all the cells to back up the spinal cord in keeping this information. We correct the internal and external meninges to reinforce the corrections of the spinal cord. We strengthen the brain of the tailbone, the sacrum, and the coccyx to increase physical energy. We correct the weaknesses of these 3 components, the sacrum, the coccyx, and the tailbone, and we erase the weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We level them so that they are centered, balanced, and stable. We're going to increase the energy of the sacrum and we're going to distribute it throughout the body. We're going to connect the sacrum to the central nervous system and the central nervous system to the sacrum. We increase oxytocin, serotonin, and dopamine to their optimal levels. We increase strength, endurance, coordination, agility, speed, and flexibility in cells. We're going to strengthen the mitochondria, the nucleus, and the membrane, and erase all the weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We're going to erase remains, vestiges, traces, remnants, and impressions of hatred, resentment, anger, rage, sadness, fear, anger, anguish, guilt, damage, hurt feelings, suffering, and many others, and the combination of all of them. We're going to erase everything that's self-sabotaging, stagnating, and limiting you from carrying out your activities. We remove its accumulative effect to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We're going to make you strong and central to feel this and not feel it, to let go of it and not let go. Let's separate the causes, reasons, and physical and non-physical sources that take away your energy to act, to think, and to move forward. We erase weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We can increase to optimal levels the absorption and transport of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, water, and nutrients. Let's eliminate the resistance to stepping out of the comfort zone. Let's eliminate the resistance to taking responsibility. We're going to eliminate the resistance to starting, continuing, and finishing. We eliminate memories that support this resistance. We're going to erase the exaggeration, magnification, and intensification of your tasks and your unresolved issues and your physical and non-physical problems. Let's separate emotions, sensations, and reactions. We erase the weaknesses of each one of them and the combination of them to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them out so that they're centered, balanced, and stable. We're going to erase emotions stuck in the lymphatic system and in the central nervous system, and we're going to take them to the black and wormholes of the body. We're going to strengthen your physical intelligence so that it executes these commands to strengthen when it does and to erase when it does. We're going to make you strong totally, completely, permanently, absolutely, perfectly, and completely. Strong for everything possible, the inevitable and the invincible. We're going to strengthen your exit portals, the top 5, chin, armpits, palms, soles of the feet, sacrum, coccyx, and genitals, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong so that it is the same and not the same, different and not different, change and not change, perception and not perception. We're going to make you strong to feel, perceive, and intuit the improvements on both the physical and non-physical level. We're going to strengthen the internal dynamics, the external dynamics, the internal limits, the external limits, and the vertices of each of the geometries that we work on in this strengthening in a total, complete, and permanent way. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen all connections made from top to bottom, right to left, left to right, inside to outside, outside to inside, back to front, and front to back. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to erase anything that prevents, limits, delays, or blocks the information changes in your midline to 0, negative infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time, and we'll erase all the weaknesses and resistance to being erased. And we send this information to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, matter, and dark energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, your mind, and your spirit. All right, remeasure from 1 to 10 how your energy is to continue the day. If you don't feel like it went down enough, you can listen to this strengthening again right away and take the measurement again. Thank you. I'm sending you a hug.